Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select client payment options on the Invoice2go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the More button down below, which is the last option. And after that, go to the cash flow section and click on client payment options. Here you can set up the payment methods, which is now set to PayPal. But after clicking on it, you will be directed to a page where you can link PayPal. Here you can connect a PayPal account to start accepting payments on the Invoice2go application, so fill it in, and after setting up the payment method you can allow tips. As you can see, by turning on this function you will allow customers to add tip when they pay online. Here if you tap on the learn more button you can read more about this. After that you can also select the due date. Payment instructions can be added, so if you have specific instructions regarding payments or deposits, enter them here. If you are done with it, you can also turn on the remittance advice function, which will show the remittance advice at the bottom of an invoice, so users can attach payments like this shown down below. So that's how you can update the client payment options section. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.